Traffic Secrets, guys. I'm super excited to finally have laid my hands on this book. I finally got a copy of the Traffic Secrets book by Russell Brunson, guys. He's the author of this book and also the co-founder of ClickFunnels, guys. And I'm super excited to have gotten this book, guys. My name is Michael Jones here with M&S Online Marketing. And today I want to share with you Traffic Secrets and how to increase your website traffic with this book, guys. So I started a business back in 2018, guys, and one of the things that I struggled in my business when I started back in 2018 was that I struggled with getting traffic into my business, and not just any kind of traffic, but targeted, consistent targeted traffic into my funnels, into my business, guys. And I struggled. I spent hundreds and thousands of dollars to try to grow my business, and I just was having some hills and valleys, and I had some bumps and roads, some bumps along the way. And one of the biggest reasons to why I was struggling in my business was because I was failing at getting traffic and targeted traffic at that. So I had a minor setback in my business, and now I decided to go full throttle, go back into my business. I started this back a couple months back, and I finally got my hands on this new book, guys, and I'm super excited. I'm super excited to share it with you. I just got this book literally in the mail not too long ago, just about a day or two ago. So I'm super excited that I got this book, guys. And if you want to get your hands on this book, guys, this book it has 20 secrets in this book, guys. Russell Brunson delivers 20 secrets inside this book, and this book can help you if you're a small business owner. This book can help you if you're looking to start and grow an online business. This book can help you get leads and sales to your websites, to your funnels, to your blogs, to your Instagram. If you're trying to grow your Instagram following, your YouTube following, your Facebook following, guys, your TikTok following, this book can help you and will help you if you allow it to. So I want to invite you to click on the link in the description below, guys, to get your hands on this book. It's a free book, guys. All you have to do is pay for the shipping and the handling. It's $9.95 for this book. It's well worth it, guys. This book can change your life, guys. What's $9.95 for a book that can help grow your business? We're learning the traffic secrets inside this book. Every business needs traffic, guys. Traffic is the lifeblood of any business, and without traffic, you have no business. So although I started a business in 2018, I was struggling because I was having problems with getting traffic, and now I'm ready to devour this book. I'm ready to get all up in this book, guys. And what I'm mostly excited about is to be able to come before you, to be able to read this book, educate myself on the secrets that's inside this book, and then implement them for myself and my business, and then also be able to come before you and share the value that I gain inside this book that can help you start and grow an online business, guys. So I'm super excited about that. So over the next 20 days or so, it's 20 secrets inside this book. Over the next 20 days or so, I'll be revealing to you the 20 secrets that's inside this book. So you want to stay tuned to that. Make sure that you like this video, guys. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos / traffic secrets that I upload when I upload them, guys. Like I said, once again, over the next 20 days or so, I'm going to be coming out with a video of each secret that is revealed in here. So you're going to want to stay tuned to that. But that's it, guys. I'm just ecstatic right now. This is an early Christmas present for me. And I'm just super excited to be able to learn a skill set that can help my business grow, and also allow me to be able to help other businesses and help you as well to grow in your business. So go ahead, click the link, get your copy of this book, guys. Follow along with me. I want you to come along this journey and this ride with me as I release these videos. I want you to get in tune with me, guys, and just follow me along the journey, guys, as I reveal the 20 secrets that can help us all start or grow our online business. So if you're looking forward to that, do me a favor, Make sure that you like this video, share it, guys. If you know other people who need traffic, who's struggling with traffic in their business, they're struggling to grow their business. They need traffic. They need Traffic Secrets book, most importantly, guys. So go ahead, like this video, share it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that we upload them. I want to say congratulations on getting your new Traffic Secrets book, guys. It's absolutely free. Just pay for the shipping and handling. And also, when you click the link in the description below, I'll be also giving you over $2,500 worth of bonuses once you purchase the Traffic Secrets book through my link. So I want to also let you know that that's coming your way as well too. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click the link in the description below, get your free copy of this book, pay the shipping and handling, and shoot me an email at michael@breakthrough2020.com. That's michael@breakthrough2020.com to receive your $2,500 worth of bonuses for getting this Traffic Secrets books. I want to say once again, congratulations on getting your new book that can help you grow and start an online business to your success in your business. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you, and you have a great day.